Today we're going to learn how to forward an email from an ASU student account to a personal Gmail account. When checking email, it can be time-consuming to check across multiple accounts. Forwarding email from the ASU student account to a personal Gmail account can streamline the process and save valuable time. Before you begin, log into your ASU student email account. Click on the Settings drop-down button. It looks like a gear. Scroll down to the Settings tab and click on it. Click on the Forwarding and POP-IMAP tab at the top of the page. Click on the Add a Forwarding Address and type in your forwarding address. Click Next. In the pop-up window, click Proceed. From this window, click OK. Next, log into your forwarded email account and click on the auto email from Arizona State. Scroll down until you find the link to confirm the request. After clicking on it, a new window will pop up. Use this window to confirm that you would like to continue forwarding the email to your new address. This simple process can save time by allowing you to check all of your email in one place.